Hey guys, this is Jocelyn
and Jessica,
and this video is Shiz
You Know or Say. Like up, guys.
Where's the mod? Where are you guys from?
You know what? You should follow me on Twitter. I should do a 24-hour broadcast.
It's hot. You guys should ban me.
Did you guys just see that? You know what? We need a mod in here. Come get a mod. Can somebody please get a mod for us?
Oh my gosh, I love you guys. I love you so much.
I really don't know what to talk about right now.
Who the heck is disliking? Like us up, right there. Right there, guys, right there. Let the green bar go that way. Like us up. I don't even know if I want to broadcast anymore. I really need more recruits. Only 2 more recruits until I get the next prize. 2 more recruits. Log in with Facebook. Right there, guys. Log in with Facebook.
Am I frozen?
It looks like you guys are disliking me off. I guess I'm gonna go. 10 seconds left, but I guess I'm gonna go. Oh, never mind. You guys are liking me up. Oh, you guys are liking me up now. You know what people do.
There's too much hate, guys. Haters, just leave the room, please.
Oh my god, we have a good queue. Look at all these people lined up to broadcast.
Why are there so many people in shows?
I didn't even know I was on. Thanks for keeping me on for so long, guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you for becoming a fan. I don't know how to pronounce your name.
Can you how to pronounce your name in the chat? Yeah.
I look so ugly right now, guys. Like, I look ugly.
I make YouTube videos, so you should subscribe. It's right down there. If I get like 20 subscribers, I'll do the cinnamon challenge.
I could do the salt and ice challenge for me. One more. Come on, one more. Please. Please. Come on. One more like. Guys. One more like. Come on. Like it up. Let's see how many likes we can get in this next minute. Don't start now, but when the minute starts, like it up. Come on, guys. Like it up. Let's go.
Oh, I don't call my fans fans. I like to call my fans friends.
Make sure you show the next person that's up in the queue some love.
You want me to sing? I can sing One Direction. That's what makes you. You know, I'm really good at singing.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You turn your heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up the way that you something is enough.
Everyone else in the room can see, yeah. Everyone else but you. Was that good, guys?